Picture yourself waking up beside a quiet mountain lake. The morning sun is shining through the window, fresh coffee is waiting on the table, and outside your door is a view that no hotel room could ever offer. There are no check-in times, no crowded airports, and no fixed plans. There is only the open road and the freedom to choose where your next morning begins. This is the lifestyle promised by the HOBBY ONTOUR T710GE. From the outside, the ONTOUR T710GE looks modern, clean, and ready for serious travel. Its semi-integrated shape gives it a smooth profile, while the large front windscreen creates a bright and open driving position. At just over 7 meters long and 2.4 meters wide, it offers plenty of living space without becoming unnecessarily huge.
It feels substantial enough for long holidays, yet manageable enough for touring through towns, campsites, and open country roads. The large rear storage garage is one of its most useful features. It gives you space for outdoor chairs, camping equipment, luggage, folding bicycles, or everything needed for a longer road trip. This means the main living area can remain clean and organized instead of becoming crowded with bags and travel gear.
Step inside, and the first thing you notice is how open the interior feels. The large L-shaped seating area creates a proper lounge rather than a small place to sit. It is the kind of space where you can enjoy breakfast in the morning, relax with a drink after a long drive, or spend a rainy evening talking, reading, and planning the next destination. The front seats can become part of the living area, helping the cab and lounge feel like one connected space. Large windows bring in plenty of daylight, while the overhead storage units provide room for clothes, books, food, and everyday travel items. Everything feels carefully placed, so the interior remains comfortable without wasting valuable space. At night, the lighting helps create a warmer atmosphere. Instead of making the motorhome feel like a basic vehicle, the soft interior lighting gives it the relaxed feeling of a small holiday apartment. That difference becomes important when you are traveling for several days or even several weeks. The kitchen continues the same clever design. It is compact, but Hobby has used the available space carefully. There are drawers, shelves, wall units, and dedicated areas for smaller items. This makes it easier to prepare a quick breakfast, cook dinner after a day of exploring, or simply make a fresh cup of coffee while enjoying the view outside. The work area is designed for real travel rather than just appearance. Cooking equipment, ingredients, and dishes can be stored close to where they are needed. You may not be working inside a full-sized home kitchen, but the layout is organized enough to make daily cooking feel natural instead of difficult. The washroom is another area where the ONTOUR T710GE feels more complete than many smaller campers. It includes a shower with a fixed screen, a toilet, useful shelving, and storage for personal items. You can start the morning feeling fresh, clean up after hiking or visiting the beach, and continue traveling without depending completely on campsite facilities. Depending on its configuration, the motorhome can provide between 2 and 5 sleeping places, while 4 people can travel inside it. That flexibility makes it suitable for a couple who wants extra room, a small family planning longer holidays, or friends sharing a weekend adventure. The HOBBY ONTOUR T710GE is not simply about traveling from one place to another. It is about stopping beside a lake because the sunset looks beautiful. It is about waking up near the mountains, eating breakfast by the sea, and changing your plans because the road is waiting, and the HOBBY ONTOUR T710GE looks ready to take you there. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join us as we explore more motorhomes built for freedom, comfort, and unforgettable journeys.